Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Gravy Paneer Bhurji. Start by crumbling 250 grams paneer and heating 2 tablespoons oil in a wide pan, then add 1 teaspoon cumin. Sauté finely chopped onions until golden, stir in ginger garlic paste, add pureed tomatoes and simmer with garam masala. Fold in crumbled paneer and finish with fresh cilantro and a squeeze of lemon for brightness. Heat 2 tablespoons oil, then crackle 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1/2 teaspoon mustard seeds until fragrant, keeping the heat moderate. Add 1 finely chopped onion and sweat until soft and lightly brown, then stir in 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1/2 teaspoon garam masala with the tomatoes. Simmer to melt. Once the tomato base is simmering, keep the heat low to coax a silky, cohesive gravy without separating. Gently fold in crumbled paneer and cook just long enough to warm through, preserving a soft texture. If you want richness, stir in 2 tablespoons cream or a spoonful of cashew paste, then taste and balance with salt and a squeeze of lemon. Garnish with cilantro and serve hot with naan or rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.